Halloween is right around the corner and many are looking forward to costumes, candy, and trick-or-treaters. But it's also important to keep your pets in mind. So we've brought in an expert to help make sure that you and your furry friends have a safe and stress-free Halloween. Joining us now with more is Dr. Sabina Squires with Hallison Veterinary Hospital in Bossier. Doctor, welcome to the program.
Hi, thank you.
Of course. So we want to talk first about trick-or-treaters here. So in your professional opinion, what precautions should a pet owner take if they want to hand out candy, but their pet may be frightened by the knocking or the ringing or maybe even people in costume?
So I usually separate Halloween into two parts. During the daytime, before all the kids come out for trick-or-treating, we'll do the walk around with the pets in their Halloween costumes. And then when it's time for the kids to come out for trick-or-treating, I put the pets away in the rooms so that they're not having exposure to the doorbell or trick-or-treaters at all. Costumes and strangers coming to the door, it's just scary, and it's just not something that you really want mixture at all. So I usually just put the pets away for Halloween.
So you try to limit that exposure later in the night.
Exactly.
Great. So I want to shift gears to candy, right? So candy is going to be everywhere, and we know that chocolate can be poisonous to dogs. So how do you avoid having a candy nightmare on Halloween?
So there's lots of candy. I think everyone knows about chocolate, but also watch out for raisins, watch out for gummies, including THC gummies, watch out for gum, anything with xylitol, so those are all toxic. Usually the best thing is when you come home from trick-or-treating, put your candy away in a, hopefully in some kind of door very high up so that the dogs and cats have no access to it at all.
And how about Halloween costumes? So we know some pet owners do like to dress up their furry friends. So do you have any guidelines for those who choose to do that or decide to take them around for a walk around the neighborhood?
I am definitely a fan of Halloween costumes. I dress up my dogs as well. There's not a whole lot of restrictions on them. You know, basically you want to make sure that it's not too tight. You don't want to leave costumes on your dogs unattended or your cats unattended. So just leave it. So you just have it while you are walking around, but make sure to take off the costumes when you are not there.
Very insightful, Dr. Squires. Thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure.
All right, guys, keep it here. We'll be right back.